May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship.
8.
Yes,
CRP.
CRP. I'm praying on behalf of the Learned Counsel D. Soki for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I have also the consent of the respondent counsel T. Tapak, Your Lordship.
Mm.
If I may pray, Your Lordship, this matter be fixed on 25th of coming
Yes.
Tuesday.
MST Gini, appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Soki, the learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for an adjournment and also submits that she has already informed the other side. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned today, list on 22nd,
25th.
25th March.
Your Lordship, there is an interim that may be continued.
The interim order past will continue until.
The
My Lord, I'm praying for taking up a matter,
What is
civil
it?
revision petition. Praying for taking up an unlisted matter.
No, what is that matter?
It's a kawai for stay of the Parwana, Kava Parwana. The kawai is going to be conducted on this Tuesday.
You know, on Monday next.
Your Honor, by Monday, but Tuesday they will be conducting kava, so that's a limited issue. Head Gambura of another village is conducting the matter of other village without authority.
All right.
Thank you, Lord.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention WPC 439 and WPC 647. These are analogous matter and it's for compensation. There are some new developments in the case, so we would like to withdraw this matter and file afresh.
Monday,
Sorry, Your Lordship.
Monday.
Yes. There is one more matter, WPC 114/2025. This is for this also for withdrawal. Maybe Mr.
Monday.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 23 on behalf of the petitioner.
22.
23.
23.
I've taken consent from the other party. Kindly, the matter may be fixed after 3 weeks' time.
The learned counsel, Mr. What is your name?
O Pangam,
Appearing for the petitioner,
petitioners.
prays for an adjournment and also submits that he has already informed the other side. Accordingly, the matter is adjourned to list after
3 weeks'
3
time.
weeks.
Master.
May I please, Lord? Lordship, I beg to mention one IA for listing on Monday. Oblige.
My lord, may I beg to mention item number 9. Matter may be fixed after 4 weeks. Leading counsel Omodi having personal difficulties, and we have taken from concern opposite party.
Learned counsel, Mr.
Ebonia,
Ebonia.
right, Your Honor.
Appearing for the petitioner,
Yes, Your Honor.
prays for an adjournment on the ground that who is absent? Omodi.
Yes, Your Honor. President Omodi.
On the ground that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. Omodi, is not available today. Mr. Bonia further submits that he has already informed the other side. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned today. When do you want it? After 2 weeks.
Okay. That's much obliged.
2 weeks.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15. I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner. The matter may be fixed after 2 weeks. We have taken consent from the other party as well.
The learned counsel, MS, what is your name?
T. Ram,
Appearing for the
petitioner.
petitioner.
Yeah.
Prays for an adjournment and also submits that he has already informed the other side.
Your Lordship, interim order may be continued.
Stands adjourned, okay? After 3 weeks.
2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Yeah.
The interim order past will continue until then.
Much obliged.
My Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship, on behalf of Oina Parme. She is a legal aid counsel, Lordship, in this matter. She is out of station, Lordship.
The learned counsel, Mr. What is your name?
K. Mena, Lordship.
Appearing for the petitioner. Appearing on behalf of the
Legal aid counsel, Lordship. Oina Parme.
Nadu Legal Aid Council MSO Parme submits that the Learned Legal Aid Council is out of station and underground and adjournment has been prayed. The prayer is allowed. When do you want it?
Lordship, after 2 weeks.
Least after 2 weeks.
Bless, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 6, appearing on behalf of DSJ, Mr. M. Kato. I would like to check the matter may be adjourned for today and it may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You are appearing on behalf of
Mr. M. Kato, DSJ.
M. Kato.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is your name?
It's K. Terry, Your Lordship.
The Learned Counsel, Mr. K. Terry, appearing on behalf of the Learned Conducting Counsel, Mr. M. Kato,
Yes, Your Lordship.
prays for an adjournment and also submits that he has already informed the other side. Accordingly, the matter is adjourned today. When do you want it?
Your Lordship, after 2 weeks.
Least after 2 weeks.
Much obliged. Lordship, I have a mention of unlisted matter, Your Honor. It's a bail application. So, Your Honor, matter may be taken up in the last. Obliged.
May I, Lordship? This is an application under 483 clause 3 of BNSS for the cancellation of the bail being granted by the learned judicial magistrate first class UPI.
Now notice will go. Heard, Mr.
T-Kipa.
Appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS T. Gini, the Learned Division for the prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondent number 3. As because MS Gini has accepted notice, extra copy of the petition shall be provided to her. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondents 1 and 2. By how you send the notice? By registered post.
Registered.
Get served there.
Registered.
Register or we can give the council also. Council.
Registered post with AD.
And Dusty may also allow the council.
The petitioner shall have the liberty to serve the notice by Dusty also.
Your Lordship,
Kind of.
just, Your Lordship, Dusty, as per as CRPC, there is no provision as Dusty. Otherwise, Your Lordship can take steps through the office of the public prosecutor.
Yes.
In criminal matters, Dusty is not applicable. The petitioner is at liberty to send the notice through the office of the public prosecutor.
Yes, sir. Deeply approved.
Highly approved. May I, Lordship? Item number 2.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, this is a civil revision petition under 227 of Constitution of India for the challenging this extrajudicial work been carried out by the learned civil judge senior division Upper Subansiri. The brief background of the case, initially the case was decided by the village authority in 2019. So that in 2019, that's in that Kebang settlement decision is in page 54.
You wait for some time.
Okay.
I'm taking a break. After half an hour, I am coming. Yes, what was it?
My Lordship. So, this is a petition challenging the illegally exercising jurisdiction vested to Civil Judge Junior Division by this Civil Judge Senior Division, Upper Subansiri. So, before I brief this, Lordship may please turn page number 21 of this my petition, where the APS 20, page number 20. So that's Arunachal Pradesh Civil Courts Act 2021. So where the jurisdiction of all the civil court has been defined. So here, as per the section 14, section 14, jurisdiction of Court of Civil Judge Junior Division, the jurisdiction of Court of Civil Judge Junior Division shall extend to all original suits and proceeding of civil nature and subject to provisions of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 or any other law for the time being in force. The pecuniary jurisdiction of the Court of Civil Judge Junior Division shall extend to all civil suits which do not exceed rupees 10 lakhs or as may be prescribed by the government in consultation with the High Court. So here, in this instant case, there was a KEBA decision, and the KEBA decision is in page number 54. May I read this KEBA decision, Lordship?
But this is page number 54, a later.
Yes. Report, that's a settlement of the case,
Report of settlement.
of the dispute, land dispute.
Yes.
Yes. So usually in village, they make report to the concerned administrative officer. That's subdivisional officer Nacho. That's in Upper Subansiri. Where means this customary judge has determined the case where they found my land as has been sold by a 7th generation gave my brother, one of my distant brother. That also not sold. That was given in lieu of loan of rupees 200 rupees. So during this KEBA decision, means customary court decision, it was held that that person cannot sell someone's ancestral land. So thereby, here means that in lieu of rupees to that family member, that other party, they have to pay rupees 50,000 to that person whom they had, from whom they had taken the loan. So here, Lordship, based on this, it has been upheld by this, next page is 55, page 55, where means subdivisional officer, that administrative in charge, has upheld their decision and directed that this land belonged to me. Since land belonged to me, but thing is that there was someone who has given in verbal by stating that in lieu of 200, you take this land. But later on, after this KEBA decision, as per the customary judges, it was clear that that land belonged to that person. So thereby, subsequently, in next page 56, this instant respondent, they filed appeal under AP Civil Court Act section 15 clause 3 before the civil means before the additional district and district court Basar. Later on, by relying that means that decision was bad in law and they doesn't have jurisdiction. Whereas before the coming of 2021, the decision was passed in 2019. So here means 2021 may not apply retrospective. So thereby, subsequently, Lordship may turn page number 67. 67, where means additional district and session judge Basar has transferred the case to the civil judge senior division Upper Subansiri, where the 67 is the order where means case record has been put up with the condonation application, where means 16/22 is a condonation application. And that condonation application has been re-registered in Dapo Civil Judge Senior Division. Subsequently, page number 68, Lordship, turn please page number 68. Where means the condonation application that hearing was fixed for 16, application number 16 close to, that was fixed on 15/05/2023. So Lordship, after this page number 50, that after the hearing of this condonation delay, page number 50, Lordship.
Delay condoned or not?
Delay, that's the main issue here.
Delay not condoned.
No, here they had conducted the condonation of delay, but they had not heard the appeal. And based on the delay condonation, that's in page number 50. The Civil Judge Senior Division has condoned the delay and with direction that this will be treated as a civil suit.
Oh, sir.
So without hearing the appeal, they directed for the de novo trial. And here,
I will stay the order.
yes, and apart from that, here, the jurisdiction, pecuniary jurisdiction is very clear. It's about 50,000 after fine, means originally is 200, subsequently after calculating the customary fine. That's 50,000, Lordship. So within 10 lakhs, the Civil Judge Senior Division ought to transfer that case to the Civil Judge Junior Division for the trial. Instead of that, I don't know why this Civil Judge Senior Division is very interested to try this case. So that was disposed of within 12 months after trying. Very short period. And by stating that there is no injunction application also. Until unless that appeal has been heard, how that title suit may be, means that may be treated. Even there is no plan also in this.
Stay the judgment. Heard, Mr.
T-Kipa.
Preparing for the petitioner. The revision petition is admitted for hearing. Issue notice to the sole respondent. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice among the sole respondent by registered post to date. List after 4 weeks. Irreturnable date. Which you want to stay?
Stay of this order dated 07/02/2025, that judgment.
Irreturnable date. The order
That Lordship, that arising out of the order dated 15/05/2023, that may also reflect.
order dated 07/02/2025, passed by the learned Civil Judge Senior Division, Daporizo,
Yes, Lordship.
in title suit number 07/2023, arising out of the order 15/05/2023, passed by the learned Civil Judge Senior Division, Daporizo, Upper Subansiri District, in Daporizo Civil Appeal number 02/2023. State after 4 weeks.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Hopefully, my lord is doing well, since my lord's health seems not to be so well.
I am not feeling well.
My lord, in fact, this case is not a new, in fact, for this honorable court. Since in this case, my lord, there has been multiple anticipatory bail application which has been filed. And eventually, my lord, the matter came up before the Honorable Supreme Court. And the Honorable Supreme Court has dismissed the anticipatory bail application with a direction to surrender before the arresting authority. My lord, I won't take much time. Straight away, I may take my lord's attention to page number 24.
24.
24. This is the FIR. May I read, madam? FIR against so and so, my lord, I won't read the name. With most respect and humble submission, we are to inform you that our father, Shri Takum Dada.
I have read this FIR.
Yes, my lord, yes.
Lordship, at this stage, only CD may be called.
My lord, basing on this FIR, my lord, the FIR has been registered.
He surrendered.
My lord, has surrendered on 19/3/2025.
Yes,
And then-
surrender, and then there was some medical issue. The Medical Fitness Board has declared that he is fit to be kept in the custody, Your Lordship. So the IO has allowed him to go for medical checkup, Your Lordship.
Therefore, my
So,
lord, I'm
CD may be
seeking a
for-
bail today, my lord, solely on a humanitarian ground, my lord. My lord, if I may take my lord to page number 77.
CD will be required here in this case.
In that case, my lord, on Monday if possible. Because
Monday it will come or not?
Lordship on Monday.
Hmm?
Monday, CD, if CD is available on Monday, your Lordship,
Monday.
no issues.
Or Mr. J Sering appearing for the petitioner. RMS TG need to learn a petition for the prosecutor for the state of Assam. All for the case day. Listen Monday.
my lord,
Deeply.
deeply opposed.
May I please, your lordship? So,
Just a minute, Mr. Deka. I am not feeling well actually today. Very well.
my lord, a distress notice may be issued because only to dispose the representation.
Wait for some time.
Yes, yes.
I may see that too. Not before.
Oh. Near the road.
Yeah, sir.
Number 27, unlisted motion matter.
May I, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, the subject matter related to this matter is for ancestral property. And for the same, already title suit is pending at CGM Alo. Despite that, the respondent number 1 and 2 made a complaint before the head Ghabura of Yugakam village. And meeting was also conducted on 11/11/2024, wherein their claim has been dismissed based on Galo conventional practices, that is a customary law, Bogumboka, because after 5th generation, there is a limitation bar. You cannot claim. Thereafter, again after 3 days, the same party again made another complaint to the same head Gambura. The head Gambura, in spite of dismissing or taking up the matter, he has endorsed the matter to the another head Gambura of another village. That another head Gambura issued Parwana, and the meeting is fixed on this 25th, which is illegal, and they don't. The head Gambura respondent number 4 has no jurisdiction to try this case. More so, the case is already pending before CGM Court Alo, titled Civil Appeal number 11/23. This is the simple matter, Your Honor. Therefore, I'm praying for stay of this Parwana.
That meeting.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, my lord.
By the other Gambura. You want stay of the meeting by the other Gambura? What interim order you want?
For stay of the Parwana dated 24/2/2025, that is annexure 19 at phase number 59. Typed copy is at 60. subject matter already pending in CGM Court Alo, Senior
Oh.
Division.
You want stay of this order?
Yes, yeah, my lord.
What the learned counsel, Mr.
Atta.
Appearing for the. How many petitioners are there? Only one.
Yes, one petitioner.
For the petitioner. Issue notice to the respondents. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice of the respondents by registered post to AD. List after 4 weeks. Till returnable date. The order dated 24/02/2025.
Yes.
24 issued by the Circle Head Gambura, comma, Pubu Yombu, comma, Alo, comma, West Siam District shall remain state. Okay.
Obliged.
May I lordship?
How many days he is in custody?
Your Honor, he is in custody for 68 days.
68 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
Charge sheet not yet filed.
Charge sheet not filed.
What case study lawsuit?
Where is the FIR?
FIR is in page number 15 to 18.
So long FIR. Oh,
I have annexed the NST.
no, where is the typewritten copy?
Yes, Your Honor.
Typewritten copy?
Typed copy, Your Honor, I have not made it. Since it's my first experience and
Oh, sorry. So you have to file a type copy
Your Honor, in
because the handwriting is not very legible.
yes,
What is the offense he committed?
Your Honor, allegation is regarding of murder.
Murder.
Yes.
So I will have to call the case date.
Yes,
In the
boss.
meantime, you file a typewritten copy.
Okay. Your Honor, may I submit, Your Honor?
Yes.
Your Honor, this is a subsequent bail application, Your Honor.
Hmm?
Subsequent bail application. Earlier on.
High
three-
Court, this is the first time
No, yes, in this court, it's first time.
Sufficient. I will call the case date.
Okay.
Hard, Mr.
I am R.T. Sogum.
Appearing for the
R.T. Sogum. SOGUM.
appearing for the petitioner Hard MS L Hage, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Assam. Call for the case date along with the postmortem report. Para. Before the next date, before the next date of listing, the petitioner shall file a typewritten copy of the FIR. When the CD will come?
Lordship, this was the Dapo PS lordship. Next week, lordship. Next week, three lordship,
3 April.
yeah, 3 April lordship.
3rd April.
Thursday or Wednesday? Yes, lordship, 3 April.
3rd April.
Yes, lordship, 3rd April.
Okay.
Lordship.
Bless. Lordship, this is the matter regarding cancellation of registration of GST. Herein, Lordship, the petitioner has been carrying out the business of hardware, and accordingly, his business was registered under Goods and Services Act 2017. However, on the failure of the petitioner to file his GST returns for a continuous period of 6 months, the respondent number 3, that is the superintendent of CGST, Itanagar Range, had issued so cause notice to the petitioner, calling him as to reply why his GST registration should not be cancelled. Lordship, the GST registration is in a so cause is in annexure to page number 26.
Then did he reply?
Lordship,
Did he reply to the show cause notice?
no, Lordship. Since the limitation to reply was over, limitation was 90 days, so I couldn't reply.
So having no other option, there is also a option for appeal as well. However, the limitation for appeal has also been exhausted. Therefore, having no,
Now notice will go.
Lordship, I've already taken steps. I've already given the copies, served the copies to the opposite parties. So it may be,
Are there any
Since-
standing councils?
no, Lordship.
There are no standing council.
Lordship, since this method, they are in similar situated cases, Lordship, in similar situated cases where GST was cancelled earlier by the department for non-filing of GST returns, the coordinate benches of this court as well was pleased to allow the writs and granted suitable reliefs by way of restoring the GST. Lordship, therefore may come to page number, Lordship,
It is
page
your-
35, Lordship.
It is your fault. Total
Yes,
fault is
Lordship.
yours. So court cannot help you now at this stage.
However, Lordship, if the matter is not disposed or if interim is not granted, then the petitioner will suffer irreparable loss. And he shall not be able to carry
Irreparable
on.
loss, irreparable loss only for your fault,
Yes,
not
Lordship.
for the fault of these respondents.
Lordship, the petitioner was not able to carry on his business because of his bad health. And till that, all the returns has been filed till the date of the cancellation. As per the provisions, Lordship,
Now you are not getting any interim order. I will issue notice only.
Lordship may kindly come to Lordship, the judgment, page number 35, Lordship, annexure 6, Lordship. In similar situated cases, Lordship. Page number 35, page 36, Lordship. Here also in paragraph 3, exactly the same case, Lordship. The coordinate benches of this court has been given relief in the similarly situated cases. Page number 36, para 3, Lordship. Pursuant to being registered under the GST Act, the petitioner has been regularly submitting his GST returns. However, due to several problems, his GST returns could not be submitted for a continuous period of 6 months. On so and so, respondent number 3 issued a show cause notice on the petitioner to show cause as to why GST returns should not be cancelled for not filing the returns for a continuous period of 6 months. The reply was directed to be submitted within a period. Here also, they could not give reply to the notice as well. Lordship, the only condition,
Then what happened?
Lordship, is that that the petitioner should pay or submit all the returns of the GST till the date of the cancellation.
But you did not file the appeal also.
Yes, the limitation for appeal has been also over. In the similar situation, this case also exactly same thing had happened, Lordship.
Not exactly same. So there are some differences. Because you should have filed an appeal.
Lordship, the appeal, the provision for appeals under section 107 of the Act, here also limitation is 30 days, Lordship. I have specifically mentioned that in,
No, you are not getting any interim order now.
Lordship may come to para 11, Lordship. Paragraph 11. Sir. For ease of the reference, the said section of 107 of the Act is reproduced herein. Paragraph 11, Lordship. Section 107, appeal to appellate authority. Any person aggrieved by any decision or order passed under this Act or the state goods and service tax or the union territory goods and service tax by adjudicating authority may appeal to such appellate authority as may be prescribed within 3 months from the date on which the said decision or order is communicated to such person. Lordship, that 3 months also has been exhausted.
So everything is, it is your fault. Now you are not getting any interim order.
Lordship, the conditions is mentioned in Rule 23, Lordship. May kindly come to this page 8, Lordship. Here it will make clear the only condition that is required. Page 8, Lordship. Rule 23, revocation of cancellation of registration. A registered person whose registration is cancelled by a proper office on his own motion may subject to the provision of Rule 10B submit. And Rule 10B is authentication of Aadhaar card. An application for revocation of the cancellation of registration in form number so and so to such proper officer within a period of 90 days from the date of the service of the order of the cancellation of registration at the common portal, either directly or through a facilitation center notified by the commissioner. Provided, Lordship, provided that such period may, on sufficient cause being shown, and for the reasons to be recorded in writing, extended by the commissioner or an officer authorized by him in this behalf, not below the rank of additional commissioner or joint commissioner, as the case may be, for the further period.
So for how many months you were not paying this GST returns?
Since till the date of the cancellation, I have paid. That is, I put it in annexure 4, Lordship.
Where is the notice?
The notice is in
Page number?
page 26, Lordship. So from the date of 2nd February 2023, my GST registration was suspended.
No. They are saying that you did not submit the GST returns.
Lordship, that is in page number 27, the order of cancellation of registration. My apologies, Lordship. In annexure 2 itself,
Return
page,
furnished
page number
by you
26,
under
observation has
Section
been given.
9 of the central government. Failure to furnish return for a continuous
Period of 6 months.
6 months. For 6 months, you did not.
Yes, now I have filed all the returns now, Lordship.
So I have to hear them whether you have filed or not.
Lordship, that is in annexure 4, Lordship.
Page number?
Page number 28, Lordship. So in the right top, you can see financial year 2022-23, tax period February. So on till February, I had not filed the returns, therefore it was cancelled. So I have filed it on
Yeah,
18th of this month.
It was cancelled because you failed to submit the returns for the last 6 months.
Yes,
That is why you were issued a show cause notice.
yes,
You
correct.
did not reply to that show cause notice.
Yes, correct,
Now
Lordship.
you filed an appeal. So how can you get the justice? Court cannot help you at this stage.
Lordship, the only condition, Lordship, from the date of revocation till the date of cancellation, from the date of the show cause notice, from till the date of cancellation, the petitioner or any aggrieved person should file the return. And accordingly, I have filed it. That is till February 2023.
You have-
Now from
Whether they have received or not.
yes, Lordship, this is filed online. This is in annexure 4. It is filed online, Lordship.
Now they will
Now-
say.
Now,
They will say, let them come and say.
no, Lordship, now from February, I cannot open the portal because unless my registration is not recalled or not revoked, I cannot file it now. So meantime, Lordship may give a direction that I am allowed to file the returns till that. I'm ready to file all the returns till that, Lordship.
No, it is too late. You have to wait.
Lordship,
Mister, what is your name?
H ape,
H. Ate.
H ape.
Oute.
Ah.
Appearing for the petitioner, issue notice to the respondents. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post AD. How you send the notice to Naharlagun?
Lordship, I
You
have
can
direct,
serve it by Dusty also. You have
Lordship.
to serve it again. For this repetition, you have to serve notice again.
Okay, Lordship, yes.
The petitioner is at liberty to serve the notice upon the respondents 2 and 3 by Dusty. List after 3 weeks. Let them come. I will hear them.
Lordship.
Item number 16. Take this order. List this matter on Wednesday next. Number 17. Yes.
Lordship, this is a joint petition filed, Lordship, for the quashing of FIR in Sagali PS case number 14/2021, Lordship. Lordship, regarding that, Lordship, there have a one FIR has Lordship, Sagali PS, Lordship. Page number 54, Lordship, is type copy, Lordship.
Where is the FIR?
Yes, Lordship.
Page?
Page number 54, Lordship.
54.
54. 54. May I read the FIR copy, Lordship?
Yes.
With reference to above cited subject, I would like to draw a kind attention to your office. Today, this morning around 0730 AM, my son led Tapir Region while going from home Bana to Itanagar. In the course of journey, one Sri Kojum Tara serving as a junior engineer RWT department posted at Dirang strike and hit with Kajes to the spot dead at Balapu village under Sagali circle. Though Hyundai car, after bearing registration number AR01H1671.
Strike.
Lordship.
Strike and. True Hyundai I-10. He died because of an accident.
Yes, Lordship, it was accident, Lordship. And according to that prosecution history also, Lordship, it is very clear, Lordship. There was, Lordship, vehicle was close to each other, Lordship. After that, Lordship, bus was slightly, just slightly and skating, Lordship.
The deceased was walking or driving?
Driving, Lordship. Driving bike, Lordship.
Driving a motorcycle?
Two-wheeler, yes.
Two-wheeler.
Yes.
When this Hyundai I-10 car dashed against him,
Yes, Your
he
Lordship.
died then.
There was a turning point wherein the motorcycle skid and both the vehicles collided.
In that, Lordship, investigation, Lordship, bike was found on middle of the road, Lordship. And vehicle was, Lordship, four-wheeler was on side, Lordship. Regarding that accident was happened, Lordship. So, Lordship, in this petition, Lordship, joint petition has filed, Lordship. And the both are a family member closely related to each other, Lordship. Accidents was occurred, Lordship. And petitioner number 2 is also trying that this honorable court, Lordship. Kindly maybe request this.
Informant is the father of the deceased.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Complainer is a father of deceased, Lordship. Pema Singh Dagyo, Lordship. They all are closely related.
Your Lordship, I don't have any objection because even in the charge sheet, though they have charge sheeted, Your Lordship, the observation made was that there was a curve and both the parties having not seen each other collided, Your Lordship.
Either head-on collision?
Head-on collision.
Oh.
So since one was in the car, that's why they were they survived. The other was in two-wheeler and therefore he.
Yes, sir.
Deeply.
It is also for none appears for the petitioner on call. Hard MST Genie Delanded Additional Public Prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. List this matter on Thursday.
Thursday.
It is a criminal case, Thursday.
Deeply.
Number 24.
Tuesday next. List this matter Tuesday next.